So, dito kami ngayon sa Mediatrix sa may Monterey to film a vlog patungkol sa how to use your gimbal in 5 stupid ways. So, are you ready? Let's go! Okay ba yun, Jay? Intro natin. Okay, so ang gagamitin nating gimbal, of course, none other than Xeon WEEBILL S. I'm going to show you how to use your gimbal, okay, in 5 stupid ways. Para iba naman kasi maraming gumagawa ng mga gimbal tutorial, how to use gimbal, how to glide, how to balance their gimbal. Para maiba naman, nagawa tayo ng vlog natin about how to use your gimbal in 5 stupid ways. Now, I'm using Xeon WEEBILL S, of course, Xeon number 1. Okay, for now, siyempre, to be a responsible glider, kailangan muna nating, syempre, i-balance yung ating gimbal. It's gimbal. Yung ating gimbal. And papakita ko muna sa inyo, of course, dapat makita nyo muna nagfa-function talaga ng mabuti, ng okay, yung ating gimbal. And voila! It's working. The gimbal is now working. Okay mga kas, ito yung 5 ways how to use your gimbal in 5 stupid ways. Okay, number 1 is this. First things first, make sure na dapat you do not have any knowledge, any idea on how to use gimbal or any gimbal, any electronic gimbal. Dapat sure ka or dapat sigurado ka na wala kang knowledge or kaalam-alam. That's number 1. Okay, mga kas, number 2 tayo on how to use your gimbal in 5 stupid ways. Number 2, make sure that your gimbal or any gimbal na gamit mo, make sure that your gimbal is not properly balanced. Not properly balanced. So, itong gimbal na to ay naka-properly balanced. Naka-balance na maayos. So, what we're going to do is to unbalance this gimbal. So, tara, i-unbalance na natin. So, first things first, upo ka muna dito. And to make sure, dapat i-turn off mo muna siya. Turn off your gimbal. So, it's totally balanced. Okay? It's totally balanced. So, i-unbalance lang natin siya by messing this balance up. Unbalance. This axis right here. And tada! Now, it's unbalanced. So, now it's unbalanced. You're going to turn it on. Like this. Turn it on. And voila! This is number 2 way on how to use your gimbal in stupid ways. Make sure that is improperly balanced. Like this guy right here. Do not balance your gimbal. That's a stupid ways. Like this guy right here. Not totally balanced. Unbalanced. Using your gimbal in a proper balance, that's not stupid. This makes you stupid. Make sure that you do not balance your gimbal properly. That's the proper way how to use your gimbal in stupid ways. Okay mga kasama, down to number 3 on how to use your gimbal in 5 stupid ways. Nakita nyo itong anong hawak ko? This is lens. Much heavier lens than dito sa lente na gamit ko dito na nakalagay sa gimbal. Here's number 3. Number 3 way on how to use your gimbal in stupid ways. You're going to change your lens without turning off your gimbal. Change your lens. Papalitan natin yan. Oops. We're going to change our lens right here. And swap lens. Alright, like that. Without balancing your gimbal again. That's number 3 stupid ways on how to use your gimbal. Stupid. Stupid. Rolling lang tayo dyan, ha? Okay mga kasama, bakit tayo rolling lang? Ba't ko pinakita sa inyo yun? Because that's number 4. That's number 4 on how to use your gimbal in 5 stupid ways. So make sure that you do not have any knowledge, any idea again on how to walk properly to use your gimbal. That's number 4 stupid ways to use your gimbal. Do not walk properly. That's not a pro. Okay? This is how to use your gimbal. Use it like this. Make sure you don't know how to walk properly. No ninja move, no ninja walk. Just walk. That's number 4 on how to use your gimbal in 5 stupid ways. Okay mga kas, here's the last. Down to number 5 ways on how to use your gimbal in stupid ways. So here's number 5. If you have your social media, if you have your Facebook, your Twitter, your IG, or any social media platform, make sure that you complain about the gimbal. Make sure you complain about the wiggle, the shakiness of the gimbal. Make sure that you complain about your gimbal. And before you complain about your gimbal, make sure that you use or you do properly the 4-way na tinuro ko sa inyo kanina, the 4-way na shinare ko sa inyo kanina on how to use your gimbal in 5 stupid ways. Make sure na nagawa niyo yun before you complain about your gimbal. And if you do that, congratulations, you are a pro stupid person. So that's all for today mga kas. If you like this video, just hit subscribe, hit the bell button para pag may bago kong video, mapapanood mo agad. And share, comment, gusto ko marinig yung mga idea nyo about this super perfect, super nice idea about how to use your gimbal in proper ways. So that's it for today. Peace mga kas. Bye-bye. Alright, done with the vlog for today.
Yun yung vlog natin?
Ha?
Yun yung vlog natin?
Oh.
Sira ulo.
Bakit? Bakit?
Yun nga yung vlog natin?
Oo nga, bakit?
Tapos na yun?
Lumubog na yung araw.
Yun lang?
Oo, yun na yun. Ganda nga, diba? Stig yun, pare, trending yun.
Trending yun?
Oh.
Trending din na mag-bash tayo dun.
Hindi, joke lang, ano ka ba? Bash tayo, hindi natin lalabas yun. Pero anyway, forget about the 5 stupid ways on how to use your gimbal properly. Actually, kabaliktaran lahat nun, yung paano mo mapapagana ng maayos yung gimbal mo. Siyempre, number 1, you have a proper knowledge about your gimbal. Kahit ano bang gimbal ang ginagamit mo, dapat may idea ka paano nagfa-function na maayos yon. Number 2, you have to balance it properly. Importante yun. Dapat nakabalance ng maayos yung gimbal mo. Number 3, pag nagpapalit ka ng lente, make sure to balance it. May ibang gumagawa na hindi, may ibang mabilisan, ganun ginagawa. But to make sure, para humaba yung buhay ng mga motor mo, do not do that. Alam mo yun, i-balance mo ng maayos kapag ka nagpapalit ka ng mga lente. And number 4, make sure you know how to proper walk. Alam mo yun, importante yun. May nagsasabi na hindi ganun kahalaga yun. Pero for me, it's very important. Prinsipyo yun ng mga naka-manual glide dati na hanggang ngayon, ginagamit pa rin namin kahit kami ay electronic gimbal. It's very important na alam mo kung paano gumamit or gamitin ang Ninja Walk. And number 5, make sure that before you complain, hindi mo ginawa lahat ng 5 stupid ways on how to use your gimbal. So that's it for today. Thank you brother sa pagsama sa akin. High five. Right, let's go home and dumidilim na dito, baka
Delikado
ma-hold up
tayo dito. Ligan na.
Let's go. Done. That's it for today, folks.
That's it for today, folks.
Baba mo. Tingin sa malayo. Masin! Nukon to ah. So, mga kasama, down to number 3. Ano ang sabihin ko? Yan mga kasama. Show you how. Hirap mag-vlog na.